Hello, my name is Jill Berry Bowen, CEO of Northwestern Medical Center, and your host of the NMC Health Beat Show, dedicated to discussing important healthcare topics of interest to our community. Today, I'm happy to have a couple of folks. One, Jill Torrey, is the Director of Physician Services who oversees NMC's cardiology practice, amongst other things. And Kelly Campbell is a clinical nurse manager in cardiology. Both are key organizers of NMC's annual Healthy Hearts on the Move event. And so today they're going to give us a sneak preview of the March 5th event. So welcome. It's great to have you both here.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, this is so fun. You know, I look forward. I think it's our fourth time having this event,
Fourth
right?
year.
I remember the very first year, but we'll talk about that. First, I want to talk about you. And so tell us a little bit about your background. So Jill and Kelly. So Jill, what do you do at the hospital?
So I've been with Northwestern Medical Center for 15 years now. It doesn't seem possible, but 15 years. So I'm currently the Director of Physician Services. So I do oversee cardiology. I have the stress lab. I have Northwestern OBGYN. Mm-hmm. I oversee Northwestern comprehensive pain. And so along with Kelly as my RN practice manager.
And pulmonology.
And pulmonology. We can't forget about pulmonology. That's right. And Kelly's the RN practice manager over those clinics as well.
Yep. I've been a nurse at the hospital for 10 years now, so very exciting new adventure in management. So we're getting ready for the Healthy Hearts
event. So we're excited about that, and so we wanted to come and talk about that today and share it with folks in the community.
Excellent. Well, that's what we're here to talk about. So March 5th, now let's start off. Where is this happening?
So it's taking place at City School again this year. We had a great venue with using City School last year. It was really lovely to be able to spread out within the school. We had booths set up in the hallways. We have 2 gymnasiums for physical activity. So it's at City School again, and we're super excited for it to be there.
Great.
The City School has really done phenomenal in helping us get the word out. Their staff, their teachers, their students were really engaged and participated last year. We had over 300 participants last year. So
that's great. Now, what's the times? So we get that right out at the beginning. Is this all day, part day? Where is this?
9 to noon.
Okay. March 5th.
Saturday, March 5th.
Yep.
Okay. Excellent. All right. So I remember, Jill, you were there for the very first one.
I was.
So that was a great event too. And I remember bouncing around on those blue dog balls, right?
Mm-hmm. And it was below zero, way below zero. We did the walking event in the park. We had 4 people walking.
It was crazy.
It was bitter cold. We had the massive snowstorm. And we've come so far. It's just looking back, it's, like you mentioned, it's been 4 years. And we really created Healthy Hearts on the Move as an awareness to health disease, right? Or heart disease. So we're looking at awareness, we're looking at risk factors, but we also want to focus on prevention. So what could you do to prevent heart disease? And we know a lot of the risk factors are preventable. Mm-hmm. So that we wanted to mix that into this event as well. And then the big thing was just fun. And so we wanted a fun event. So we did get through the first year and we did great. And the second year we said, how can we make it bigger and better? So we've grown from them and really excited about growing again this year. I think we want to outdo our 300 participants this year. So
great. I know there's so much, fabulous energy. So give us a little bit of a sneak preview of what are we going to find when we walk in there?
So we'll give you a sneak preview. So not only is this a traditional, we don't want this to be a traditional health fair, right? So we do have booths, but our booths are interactive. So we wanted to make sure they were interactive booths. So when you come to a booth, you're not just going to pick up a piece of paper, you're going to learn about something. And we're going to help you to learn. We also have great events going on in our gymnasium. We have healthy healthy snacks in the cafeteria. We do have health screenings going on. We have massage going on, so you can sign up for a massage. We have some
face painting.
We have storytellers.
So you got kids. Things. So is it a family thing, or is it more directed towards adults, or who
There
can
are
come to this?
activities for anyone. And people can come for just the health screening part if that's what they're interested in, or they can come for the entire event. There's plenty to do there to stay for the whole event.
We really encourage, and that was one of the things behind our focus of this event as well, is we really wanted to encourage families to come together as families. We didn't want just moms to come or just dad and leave your kids at home. We want the whole family to come. And we want you to bring the grandparents. And so bring the grandparents too, because there's something for everyone. So we have kids events going on, as well as stuff for mom, stuff for dad. We have grandparents and can be involved in the health screenings along with the parents. So it's really for everyone.
Let me tell you a little bit about this.
So what is a passport?
So a passport, this was, there's a couple reasons why we're using the passports. One is to navigate throughout the city school, throughout our health event, but also each area has a self-assessment.
Okay.
So folks can take their self-assessment. On the back, they'll be able to tally up and see what their heart health risk score is. They can then bring this home, bring it to their primary care, act as a reminder for some, minor changes that they may need to make in their lifestyle, which would make a huge impact on heart health. The other cool thing is that at the end of the day, you show this to us and we'll enter your name into a drawing for $300 gift card for JPeak, which they can use to do anything up there. So,
wow, JPeak.
Yeah. Super fun and exciting. The other thing I wanted to mention too was that we're collaborating with NCSS this year. So
cool.
we're
That's very
super
cool.
excited about that. NCSS was doing a similar event to engage their families and to encourage activity. And we were playing them both around the same time of the year. So we've collaborated. We know that February is Heart Health Month, but we've extended it into the beginning of March 5th, for our health event. And we're super excited. NCSS has some great ideas. They work with children all day, so they've sort of taken on the children's activities, and we're very excited to collaborate with them.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
So the Zumba, the Tai Chi, the smoothies,
all that stuff, all that sort of stuff. We are making the activities, some of them are focused on children, some of them are family oriented. Really last year, anyone just jumped in where they wanted to.
Yep. NCSS this year has, they're doing the kids event, so they have a bouncy house. They're doing yoga for tots, which should be interesting.
I love it.
The famous hula hoop is back, so the hula hoop's always fun. We have
face painting, the airbrush face painting.
Face painting. Yes. Oh, and you know what's wonderful too, and I don't know if you had a chance to sit with them last year, but the storytellers. So we have storytellers are amazing.
Yeah, they were great.
And that's not only for the kids, but for parents and grandparents too. They're very, very engaging. So storytellers, and then of course the massage, and
is Healthy Roots coming back? I remember it's so funny of thinking what. To try to put what grows below the ground to what grows above the ground in a garden, and trying to match those bottoms and tops up.
Yeah.
And that was really cool.
That was really fun.
Actually, for me too. I didn't get them all right.
Yeah, exactly.
And that's really the point of all of our booths, is to be interactive. We don't want to just hand out flyers or brochures. We want it to really be interactive and for people to be engaged in their own health. So however we can navigate them to do that, that's our goal.
Yeah.
Our community needs assessment identified heart disease as one of the top priorities. So another reason why it's really important for NMC to do this event. Heart disease, you all may know, is the leading cause of death in women. So another really important reason for us to do that. And the obesity rate in Franklin County specifically is higher than that of
throughout the state,
throughout the
28%
state.
higher
Yep.
in our community than state.
So
Statewide, so
It's great that we're taking on this initiative, this awareness.
Yep.
So when you think about your passport, you mentioned about health assessment. What are some of the key components of that health assessment that folks need to be focused on?
So a lot of what affects heart disease is our lifestyle choices. So, you know, obesity, smoking, cholesterol. We're going to be doing cholesterol screenings.
diabetes.
Yep, diabetes, physical activity, diet, of course. So our booths will be interactive in all of those areas.
Yeah, you know, it's in helping folks realize that the healthy choice is the right choice. It's also fun, and you feel so much better whether you're moving or whether you're eating, learning, sleeping. Also, you know, learning how to reduce stress in your lives too, and how you bring families together, and that they can take these activities home, and they encourages them to walk together or play together.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You know, just to take that time to relax and enjoy.
And making one little change just like that, walking together, really you'll see when you do your own health risk assessment that could make the biggest impact, and it's fun. And that's our goal, is to have it be fun. You know, we want to educate people, and we want it to be fun.
Yeah, because this isn't your typical health fair where you go to a booth and you pick
This
up a
is not.
brochure.
This
It's
is not.
fun. You're doing fun, and you don't even know, you know,
It is.
what you're learning so much and having so much fun
Exactly.
doing it. So
Yeah.
Yep.
We also wanted to highlight some, you know, the NMC family has just been tremendous in pulling off this event this year, and I wanted to talk a little bit about that.
Please.
And Kelly, help me, because I'm going to miss somebody, but we have cardiology is going to be doing a great interactive booth. We have cardiac rehab that's going to be there. We have the emergency department there, and they're going to be doing some CPR demonstrations, hands-on for folks. We have lifestyle medicine, of course, and we'll have nutritionists there. We'll have diabetes educators there. We have rehab services there, and they're going to be doing a really great fun event with the physical therapist will be there, the occupational therapist will be
Wow.
there.
We've got nurses doing all the health screenings, restaurant and catering, of course, with all their
Vermont. We can't forget about Rise
Right.
Vermont, and they're going to have their great little pedal bike there. So
Yep.
yes, you can make your own smoothie.
you can make your own
That's right.
smoothie.
You don't have to work for it.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yep.
And I also, was talking to Jody Fry, and she said she was going to be there, I guess, regarding the patient portal.
Patient
Perfect.
portal.
Yep.
So how to help them.
Last year we did
navigate.
that. We walked around with laptops, got people signed right up. So that was really great.
That's exciting.
Yep.
Good. Excellent.
Yeah.
So what have we missed about this event? Because our time, we have so much fun talking about this. Our time just flies.
Yeah.
So is there anything we've missed about this that you want to get the message out to the viewers?
I think the message that we want to give is that come enjoy the day with us. It's from 9 to 12. You can do one event. You can do all of the events. Stay for the morning. We're happy to have you there. Bring the kids. Bring the grandparents.
It's all free.
It's
That's
all
right,
free.
free.
It's
Yeah.
all
Right.
free. And it's just a fun event. And so come and take advantage and enjoy what we have to offer. And I think folks will really have a good day.
That's right. And, hey, March, it's still cold.
That's
so
right.
out.
And it's going to
outside.
be freezing this, well, this weekend, but next weekend.
Yeah. So it's likely winter's coming, and it's a little slow this year, but
Yes.
So I'm sure it will be cold. So it'll be a great activity inside.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for being on the show to tell us about Healthy Hearts on the Move.
Yeah.
March 5th. 9 to noon. It's free at the St. Albans City School, right?
Got it. That's it.
Well, I'm going to be there, and I hope all of
Great.
our viewers are going to be there. We're trying to top the 300 mark,
Yep.
and there's really kind of no reason to come. Plan for it, and you will learn so much, and you won't realize how being healthy can be so much fun, with the family. So,
Yep.
so thank you again.
Thank you.
So this is Jill Berry Bowen, your CEO of Northwestern Medical Center. And I don't know where you're going to be on March 5th, but I'm going to be doing Zumba with you. So see you there.